This is just a little shop tour. I'll show you the equipment I've got in my little shop. This is a mid-sized Q-Smith from Chris Hightower that I've set up onto a mobile tournament booth. Just a little miter stand that I can roll up, and it's got a light fixture built onto it. Right now it's set up as a secondary lathe or a third lathe to use. We've also got a 14 by 40 metal lathe, which works very well for doing coring or anything really. It's a good lathe to have in your shop. I've got a little exhaust fan that sucks out any fumes and smells from the shop, and it just runs outside. Got some wood hanging, some shaft wood, some forearms hanging out, a bunch of shaft wood on the floor. I was going to clean my shop up, but it is always this messy, so you're not used to trying to clean it up to show a video. This is a taper shaper from Unique Products, and I've got the quiet router on here. Very quiet, that works real well. This is a solid machine for doing all sorts of stuff. You see I've got some dust collection hooked up as well. This is my main repair lathe. That is a deluxe Q-Smith from Chris Hightower. I've got a quick change tool post on that as well. A whole bunch of tooling. I've got a TV in my shop for when I get bored. I like to have some background stuff on. My tools hanging out on a shelf. A bunch of tips and storage and whatnot. And that's pretty much it. It's my small little workshop that I do a bunch of repairs on, build some jump cues and some playing cues. Okay.